Hello, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to cook cinnamon squash with raisins on the stove, okay? Alright, so we're going to get started. Please hit the like button if you like the video, share the video, and please subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. And welcome, YouTube family, welcome. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I have some grapeseed oil in the frying pan. Grapeseed oil is made from the seeds of the grape, okay? It's right like up there with olive oil. So I have 10 ounces of squash. It's already shredded. You know, squash is very hard to peel and all of that. So if you can buy it shredded, it helps. It's a lot better. So that's what it looks like. Let me just show you that. Okay. Alright. So we're going to put that in. You hear the frying pan is hot. Okay. And I have some raisins soaking in some hot water to get them soft. Okay. We're going to add this to the mix. I'm going to pour the water off. Alright, so I poured the water off. How many raisins you add, it doesn't matter. That's not important. It's up to you, okay? Okay, now I want to break that up and mix it up a little. Okay, let me let you get a look at that. See? Okay. Alright, now we're going to add some cinnamon and sugar. That's 1 handful, 2 handfuls, okay, about 3 handfuls, okay? If I was to guess on how much that is, I would say maybe 3 heaping tablespoons, or less if you want less, or no sugar at all if you don't want sugar. Okay. Okay, I'm going to turn my fire up to number 6. And this is really quick because all you want to do is brown the cinnamon and sugar on it and get it up to temp. You still want to have a little crunch when you bite into it. Great. Now we want to add a little salt and some pepper. That's kosher salt and some black pepper. Okay, I'm going to mix that in. Okay, and I would say we're done. Okay, I'm going to take that out. Wow, that looks good. Oh wow, wonderful. Okay, let's get a picture of that. How about that, huh? Cinnamon, squash, and raisins. Mmm, yummy. And let me get in the picture. How about that? Wonderful. Yeah? Okay, so let me take a taste. I'm going to let you know how it tastes. Okay, so I have some raisins and some squash here. Let's see. The raisins really enhance the squash because, you know, squash is bland. So the cinnamon and sugar and the raisins lifted up a sweeter taste. I like it. I really, really like it. I think I'm going to make my squash like that from now on. I love it. So I want you to try it and see if the family likes that. Now, if you bought a whole squash and you didn't buy it already shredded, and you have a food processor, you can put it through the food processor and get the same results, okay? Alright, so this is Grandma Ray. Let me give you the word of the day. Let's see. Okay, so the word of the day is, if you don't have enough energy to maybe get up and cook or get up and clean or do what you have to do, you know, my suggestion would be to look into what are the things that you're eating, because sometimes if we eat a lot of food that has a lot of sugar in it, it will drain us and bring our energy level down. Other things could bring your energy level down is maybe you have low blood pressure and you need to talk to the doctor, have them check that and see what they can suggest you do about that. I know that there are certain foods that you can definitely eat to improve that. And the last but not least, I think you could also have a low energy level if you are depressed. Try to change the atmosphere. You know, go outside or call someone that you can talk to, or talk to the doctor about your feelings. Write them down so that you don't forget, and then see if you can get some help for that, okay? So the word of the day is try to change your energy level, alright? This is Grandma Ray, don't play. I'm Rachel. It's a pleasure serving you, and I'll be back to serve you soon, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.